Hey, it's Dan. Welcome back. You're watching iAllegedly, and I have a good one for you today because we're going to show you how to search for grants, and whether it's for your business, personal, whatever. I'm going to show you how to get assistance and how to follow through with that. Also, the cool thing is I found, as I was doing this, researching this video, I found a bunch of cool stuff. So we're going to show you some new grant programs that are available. And again, this should help you guys quite a bit. Before I get into it, please take a quick minute to like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to join our Patreon group, we've got a cool Patreon group that you can be part of. Also, we've got an email list that is in the description of the video. And if you'd like to join the Webull group, if you have any interest in stocks at all, Webull's got a cool promotion where when you sign up, it's absolutely free. You get a free stock for signing up. And if you put $100 in, you can get even more free stock. But again, you don't have to do that. But if you want to, it's cool. A lot of people have done it already. Let's get into it. The biggest thing I get asked for all the time is, Dan, I need help finding this. I need help finding that. And yeah, you can just go to Google and you can search it yourself. But there's a key to this because ever since the original CARES Act came out, there's been all this money, and the money's been disseminated to all these different groups. And the problem with these bureaucratic groups, whether it be a city, a county, a state, whatever, they have things that they're not up to date in their websites. They have programs. They may tell you that the programs are closed when in fact they still have money left over. And everybody thinks money is going to solve everything. Okay, with my business, with personal, with everything. Take a look at this. Sometimes it's the connections. When we raise money for startups at my conferences, money is clearly the number one thing that people want, but the strategic partnerships and getting the right manufacturing, getting the right sales force, getting the right connections to different governments, to getting, exporting your product out of the United States and having the United States government help you with. There's a lot of things that can help your business grow, and people need to look at that with their own personal assistance, whether it be grants or whatever. So as I start searching these things, I came across some really cool stuff today, but let's take a look at this. This is what I do when I search for something. First things first, let's start with the grants, because it seems that there's more people on the channel that want grant information. And let's start looking for that. When you want to search for a grant for your business, whether it's an existing business or you want to start a business, there's tons of resources out there. But how do you find something that, is new and different? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you the list that you want to start with. You want to start with this simple list right here. And you want to go to your favorite search engine. You want to start with Google, Yahoo, MSN, Bing, whatever you're into. You want to start searching that. You want to search small business grants near me. You want to search small business grants in your city. Search the city that you live in, okay? Do the county and do the state. Now, here's the thing. If your industry, if you're in the electrical business, you're in the termite business, you're in the home inspection business, you're in the consulting business, real estate, whatever, there's trade groups that you can search as well. And these trade groups have ways to keep people in business and to get funding. So you want to search for those as well, but you need to clear the memory on your phone. If you're not going to use a computer, clear the memory on your phone, the cache, whatever you want to call it, and the history, because we've got things built up in it and it's programmed to send us in a certain path, same advertisers, all that stuff. And search for this. Try different places. Try Facebook. Try when you search for those topics, but also search down, go to page 2, go to page 3, go to page 4. Look at these different things in your area for each of these topics. Now, when you get these, okay, the first thing you have to do is you have to call these people. You've got to look through them. If the program is closed, you need to pick up the phone and you need to call them and ask them, is this going to continue? Do you have any more spots left? Because so many times, I'm going to use Arizona again because there were so many areas in Arizona where they had funding and they didn't get enough people for it. Miami, Florida, small business funding. Did not give the money out because people didn't apply. Or when they did apply, they didn't follow the instructions. Follow the instructions that they asked and apply. But people are lazy. I don't want to talk to anybody, Dan. Can you call them for me? That's my friend. Someone asked me that this morning. And because I'm a nice guy, I did that for him, stupidly. But anyways, pick up the phone and call these people and ask them questions. We're out of funding, sir. We don't know when we're going to get more back. Do you have any idea of who I can call? That's what I'm looking for. And you'll be surprised. These people will give you additional information, and it's out there. But again, ask the questions of these people. It's out there. Today's search brought me these great resources here in California that I'm going to show you guys. So I'll do that at the end of the video. But it's very, very cool. Now let's try a completely different search engine, Yahoo. Small business grants near me is going to bring up things directly in my neighborhood here in Southern California. And again, do this for yourself. Clear your cache. It's crazy. I'm getting some stuff in Illinois, San Diego County, which is about 80 miles from me. New York. But again, take a look at this and then go to page 2, go to page 3. That's where you're going to find the gold. Also look at news. Click on the news portal. So let's get into the rental grants and what to ask for with the rental grants. Now, it makes no difference what you're asking for. None. Whether it's utilities, whether it's insurance help, whether it's medical bills, whether it's rent, mortgage forbearance, whatever, follow these instructions. It's that simple, okay? Take 5 minutes and do this because the rental assistance programs are out there. The money, the $25 billion, has not been distributed all the way yet. And these are getting to cities that, as I talk to these agencies today, and you'll see some of these phone calls, it's crazy how, they don't have the money yet. Some of them do, some of them don't, but they referred me to other people. Take a look at this. Hi, good morning, Jennifer. My name is Dan. I have a YouTube channel, and I'm calling about rental assistance for some friends of mine as well. Can you tell me, the website doesn't seem to be up to date. Could you tell me if there's anybody else I can reach out to or any organizations that I can call? Okay. Now, again, I could bore you with these phone calls that I made, but this is out there. These resources are there, and these agencies, you've got to pick up the phone. Hi, I need help, okay? They don't know you. You're anonymous to them, okay? If you give them your name, I'm Dan, I don't know who I am. So get the help, and if they don't know, do you know anybody that does? Okay? It's that simple. You want to ask for rental assistance near me. You want to use the city. You want to use, again, the county that you live in and the state that you live in. Start with that. Now, I'm sick of people writing me and saying, 211 is terrible. It's a terrible program. 211 is generally ran through the United Way that gives people rental assistance. And the interesting thing with that is that they have all these different programs that they can refer you to. And again, we don't have any money right now. Okay, how do you get money? Now, I called, one of the patrons in Utah, wanted some help, and on commercial leases and getting help with that. So I reached out. They've got a program in Utah that says it's unfunded, but we called them. Take a look at this. Now, again, commercial rental assistance grants in Utah. Now, it brings up a ton of stuff, and you've got to start going through this. And again, Google, Yahoo, MSN, Bing, whatever you're into, DuckDuckGo, I don't care. Use them all, okay? But clear your cache. Now, here's the thing. Utah COVID-19 Commercial Rental Assistance Program. Now, here's the program. Gave all this money out. about the grant. Okay, all these different resources, questions and answers. And again, going through this and searching this will give you a place to start and a place to look. If you need the money, this is where you start. And what you need to do is, oh, this program is closed. We're not accepting more applications. Well, great. How do I get a hold of these people? You've got all these different offices right here. Contact, there you go. And there's the contact phone number. That's where you start. You start with the contact phone number. Good morning, Denise. My name is Dan. I have a YouTube channel. I'm calling about commercial rent assistance in Utah. And I see that the program has ended, but I just had a few questions on if you had anybody I could talk to and any other phone numbers you could refer me to. Now, I won't bore you with the entire phone call, but what happened was we have no funding, Dan. It's out, okay? But with the new stimulus program, they're going to give money to the state legislature, which in turn will give it to us. When do you think that would be? Oh, most likely that would be March or April at the latest, if they give us money and if they approve money soon. Well, this money is supposed to be out there for rental assistance, okay, and for business assistance. So hopefully that'll be out there. Now, again, you've got to ask questions. Nobody wants to pick up the phone. All the programs are closed. There's nothing good. You're right, there's nothing good. You have to pick up the phone from doing these searches. One thing that I love to do is the research. Loved it when I was a writer, loved it now. But the cool thing is when you're doing this and you're researching for these grants and for these different programs, I come across things that I didn't find before. And using these tricks, going to different pages, I found this on page 4 when I searched this. And take a look at some of these resources that I found because they're absolutely amazing. But again, if you're in California, these are cool programs here. And if you're not, look at these state programs because they're out there. Take a look at these. Now, this is absolutely amazing. In my research today, I found the grant opportunity portal for the state of California. Look at this. I am an applicant. Applicant type, business, individual, nonprofit, other, public agency. Let's say I want it for business. I'm a business. I'd like agricultural grant. Look at this. Environmental, water, business, energy, legal, veterans. I mean, look at this stuff. This is so cool. Okay, so let's just say any type of grant program for a business. And then you can pick the time frame. Anytime, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever. How about any time frame? Show me the opportunities that are available. Look at this. You've got all these different opportunities that are available. Gives you the deadline, gives you the application date. This is very cool. And this is one of the best ones ever that I've ever seen. Great California resources. All these different opportunities. You know, if you want to, the monarch butterfly and pollinator rescue program, you can get involved with that. Just a great, great resource. All this stuff that's available. California Grants Portal. Check this out. Share it with your friends and colleagues that are outside the state as well. Another amazing resource I came across was the California Rebuilding Fund. This is an absolute amazing, resource of banks, nonprofit lenders, different loan terms, different business requirements, frequently asked questions, resources. I mean, they've just got so much stuff here. And we've got videos. I mean, it's really cool. But again, if people need access to money for your business, look at all these associations and companies you can get hooked up with. Access Capital, Main Street Launch, Opportunity Fund we've talked about in the past. They're lending people money. People that are subscribed to this channel have gotten loans from Opportunity Fund. It's absolutely amazing. How about this? California Black Chamber of Commerce, Cameo, Cal Asian, California Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. Are you guys members of this? Small Business Majority. I mean, come on, guys. All these minority groups that you could be part of. Wells Fargo Bank, First Republic, The Grove. I mean, all these places lend money. Kiva, there's another great resource. I mean, they're lending loan. You can borrow money from Kiva for just a few $100. But again, all these amazing resources. I hope that this was helpful. Again, you can do this. You can get the resources. Please like this video. Please hit the subscribe button for more. There's always going to be something coming out. And again, reach out with your questions. You can get a hold of me on social media. I answer all those questions, Facebook, Instagram, the email. You've got it all, guys. If you want to join the Patreon group, we'd love to have you. If you want free stocks from Webull, the link is below, and you can get yourself a Webull account for free and get a free stock or so and enjoy. Okay? Thank you. We'll see you guys very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Did I say that? Anyways, don't forget to join the email list too. Okay? Good luck to everybody.